Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Shooting at a compound during Maroon Festival. At least 3 persons, one as young as 12 years old, were shot and injured following a dispute at the annual Accompong Maroon Festival in St. Elizabeth last night. The incident reportedly took place sometime after 9 p.m. There was a shooting, multiple people got shot. Not sure if it is 2 or 3, but I can confirm that there was a shooting incident, said the high-ranking officer. There was controversy surrounding the staging of the festival, which the Maroons were celebrating as their 284th anniversary. The police noted that the Ministry of Health and Wellness had informed that no approvals were given for the event. They also warned that the staging of the event would be in breach of the Disaster Risk Management Act, which limits public gatherings to 10 people. However, Curry informed his followers on Instagram that the event would go on. In addressing the issue, he compared the event to the pilgrimage to Mecca done by the Muslims annually. Curry argued that their spiritual and traditional rituals have ancestral ties with the marking of the Maroon New Year on January 6. This is a religious duty of our Maroons to honor our ancestors and to show the way forward for the born and the unborn. This is our way of life, he stated in the Instagram post. So people will not even know what to make of this article right here, because the government say no permits were granted for this event. And if you watch the last video, you would have seen where it was stated clearly that the government was not in agreement with this festival, but Chief Curry said the show must go on. And now this unfortunate incident, we not even know if it's the government against the Maroons or if it's Maroons versus Maroons. So we just have to stay tuned, and Richard Curry has not yet come forth to give a statement on the happenings. So remember to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next upload.